Hi Cricut teachers. So today the last 2 days I've just spent learning how to create some laminated name tags. This was cut from an A4 sheet like this, and then the circles were cut out and then laminated and then cut. I did not use the print then cut feature. So I have made the 3-part docu-series. I wasn't expecting it to be that long. So what I thought I'd do, you guys are teachers just like me. We don't have time to spend watching 40 minutes of videos just to find out if I do something differently to you. So I thought I'd do a really quick rundown of what the main points were. So number one, it was all about the cutting mat. So I made a template on my cutting mat so that then I could always line up my paper to make sure that it was in the same spot each time. So that helps with my repeatability. And then I also used a template for my laminating, and then that helped with the laminating cut as well. I'm going to pop over to Design Space and show you the different things I did there. My Design Space screen, and here I've got some different layers. What I did to make the template on the mat is just an A4 square there, that one. So if I hide these, you can see that I've put that at 0 and 0, and then 0 and a 0. Try that again. And so then I've just cut that out of the masking tape to give me that perfect line up space when I'm putting it through my Cricut. I have also imported the name document, so that was just uploaded and used there. So I did that as a JPEG or PNG, and then made sure that that was at the A4 document size and positioned at 0. Then I copied the square and made some circles to create my piece here that I used to cut the paper. So that was adding a square and circles, and then just slicing, so getting the two layers, I need to get my lingo right, and then slicing the circles out and deleting them from over here. Then I finally had my laminated sheet to cut. So again, that is just the same, the A4 square, added the circles. I made them a little bit bigger this time, just so that I could make sure that there was margin for error. So that was and slice those out. I had to delete 3 circles, and then that's what I used to cut out my laminated card. So hopefully that quick overview might have given you a little bit of information. If not, you might need to check out one of the parts in the document on the docu-series that I made today, and that will give you a greater understanding. I walk you through step by step. All right.